Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel, Matt with Green Bar Trading. So it is currently 7:22 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I'm going to, well, first of all, let's just say last night was the New York Giants game. Now, I am a huge sports fan. I am a huge Giants fan, if you can't tell already, with the Giants helmet in the background, sports memorabilia all over the place. So last night's game had me up really late. So I am exhausted this morning. And the ending was atrocious. We had the game won, and the Washington football team missed the field goal that would have won it for them. I was about to click the TV off and go to sleep, a happy man. And then I see at the bottom, the yellow comes up. We all know what that means. A flag got thrown. The Giants jumped off sides. They got another chance to kick the field goal, and the Giants lost with no time left on the clock. And I got to go to sleep now mad. So yeah, that was my night watching the game. Now the game starts at 8:30 my time. Everybody knows that I'm up very early in the morning. I decided to stay up for the game. What a disappointment. So anyway, I'm going to start here with some housekeeping items. This is pretty good news for those of you that are in our Discord. Now, what I did was I added a few new channels here to our Discord that can really help you guys out. I added a large cap watch list that I update in the morning, each morning, a small cap watch list that I update each morning. These are the leading gappers of the market, my technicals on them as I see them, the large cap, the exact same way, the ones that are leading the market, that have the most volume, the most eyes on them. I post here every morning. So this is going to be really awesome for you guys. I created a new channel, Ask Matt. You can ask me anything here. If you're a beginner, you need questions, you need a second opinion on a trade you might be taking, you want me to break down a ticker symbol for you, that's your channel to do it here. My daily preview, you guys know, if you're in, I do this every morning. All the key things to keep an eye on, as well as my bread and butter, my ES, my Qs, and my SPY levels that seem to be on the money. These are good levels you can trade off of. So that's it. I just, let everybody know this morning that are in our Discord. And you guys are, come join it. It's totally free. The link is in the description if you guys want to pop in. So, added some value to this Discord. We're trying to build a community here, and the growth has been amazing. So I do have to thank, everybody that's in here that adds to our Discord. You guys have been doing awesome. It's a really good community that's growing there. So that's good to see. Now, after that, some other things. The stock market has been extremely choppy. Now, today, I don't expect anything different. I really do not expect today to be much different. That's why I am taking a hands-off approach. It's going to be choppy. Now, my trade review that I'm going to do for the day, I took one trade today. I am finishing the day up $37.50. Yes, I know that that's not a lot of money. That's a very small green day. But to be green on days like this, I feel like is so key, even going into the weekend, because I know today is going to be choppy, and we've already started to see it. So if we come in here and take a look at what I was doing, I'm just going to pull this back, set futures. So you guys can see what I was looking at. All right, so show my trades for you. So we can see exactly where I got in, where I got out. Now, what is my bias going to be when I see something like this? At the European Open, 3 a.m., we have sold off. So my bias going into the trading day, going into my day trade that I just took, is now going to be on the short side. So I took a quick scalp here. Once I saw that we were rejecting price pretty hard. Now we're under VWAP. Anytime we're under VWAP, I am already, a little cautious about how bearish or how bullish the morning looks. So far, this is very bearish. Now, obviously, the market has been, can rebound. We've seen it the last couple of days. Huge bounces after huge drops. You can really do well if you time the bounces right, but it's very choppy. I mean, look at this price action. Up, down, up, down. Do we come back up? I don't know, because I'm done trading. But what I do know is getting short right here after this push up from 7 a.m. that we were not making a new high. Well, that's where I get short, because if we're in a downtrend, I want to be taking my short on the bounces up. I don't want to be taking my short when we're down here. I want to wait for the retracement. I want to wait for price to come back up to my trend and then take it short. So that's what I did here for 37.50. Now, taking a look at the longer, just take my trades off. Taking a look at the longer time frame here, and I'm just going to add my daily to this. We bounced off the 50 moving average, which was really, really key. The only problem is we did not get that follow through that we have seen here and here. We got the 1 day, which was a great bullish engulfing candle, everything you want to see if you were going to get the same price action that you saw the last few months. We didn't get that, but we did get a bounce off the 50 again. I mean, at this point, this is really starting to consolidate, and this is looking more and more like it's consolidating after a big move and then for another move. The other move can be down. It can very easily be down here. We're not breaking out of this level. Now, if we look at the SPY, and let me just see if I can make it easier to see. Okay, and I'm going to take off at 444. We have seen bounces the last 4 days. Right here. Bounce, 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 bounce. Are we going to bounce again? Well, it's now 7:30 a.m. I don't know at this point. But what I do know is 444 has to hold. If 444 breaks and retests and goes lower and does not rebid the 444 like it did back here, well, then the next level down is 441. And that would bring you to, I think, around the 50 moving average for the SPY. The 50 moving average for the SPY is a very important level here. You can see it's bounced every time that it's gotten to the 50. Right here, it bounced before the 50, right here, you're still over the 50. So the 50 is going to be today at about 442.50. That's where the 50 is. So that's going to be an extremely key level if 444 ends up breaking. So if 444 ends up breaking, then I want to see that 50 moving average at 442.50 hold, because that's where we've seen the bounces before. So I guess that's it for me. Small green day. I'm going to be, away from the screens for the majority of the rest of the day. I'm going to be at my other business. So I'm not going to be able to actively day trade, but I will be in our Discord, popping in and out and just helping out and being there for everybody that may need help. So that's it. Everybody, manage your risk, follow your rules, and take profit out of the market today. That's my rules to live by, and that's what we're going to do today. So that's it, guys. Hit the thumbs up for the video, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.